fresh off his first AMA Supercross podium, well, we have a little bit of controversy, drama, rumor, whatever you want to call it, surrounding Max Anstie. Obviously, he's been in the sport for a long time, both MXGP in the 250 or the MX2 class and over here in the 450 and 250 classes. But he got his first podium this week at Houston. And so now some team, supposedly, this comes from Lewis Phillips, who is all over the place with news and stuff. Like, not all over the place bad, but he has a lot of sources. Says, quote, "Yeah, source tells me that a team protested Anstie's bike. They think it's a 280, meaning it's a 280cc instead of a 250cc. Now, the AMA Supercross rulebook says in some section D, whatever, engine displacements are listed in the technical standards sections for each class. Class displacements limits are absolute with no overbore allowance. Bore and stroke must remain the same as the homologated model." So obviously this basically means if you're racing the 250 class, you're racing a 250. If you're racing the 450 class, you're racing a 450. Obviously, if you race a 125 two-stroke in it, smaller cc, different whatever, you can do that because it doesn't go over the homologated number. So who knows if this is true? Who knows if this is a serious thing? Somebody's just mad because one of the factory boys got beaten by a privateer team. Who knows? But great race for him. I mean, obviously he was running fast. He was smooth. He got his podium. He earned it. If it is a 280, it's not that much more power, but you have to say, if it is wrong, if it is a 280, then, what then? Do you take the podium away and then all this looks really bad, especially for him? But it's one of those things, too, that the rider doesn't really work on the bike. How much does he really know about the engine? Let's see. In the comments below, I want to hear from you. Do you think it was a 280? Do you think he was just on rails in a 250 and everyone's just mad because, obviously a privateer team beating some of the factory boys, they never like that because they spend a lot more money. But in the comments below, you tell me. Are you happy for him? Do you care less? Do you think it was a 280? You think it's a 250 and everyone's just mad? Whatever it is. Or just comment whatever you want. What did you think of Houston? Anything. Make sure you do that down below as you're going down there. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because obviously it helps with the algorithm and I appreciate it a lot. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.